It's so hot today. It's so hot today. The sun is blazing. The sun is blazing. I'm sweating a lot. I'm sweating a lot. It's a boiling day. It's a boiling day. The weather is unbearable. The weather is unbearable. It's a perfect day for the beach. It's a perfect day for the beach. It feels like an oven outside. It feels like an oven outside. It's burning hot. It's burning hot. There's a heat wave warning. There's a heat wave warning. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Shall we have some ice cream? Shall we have some ice cream? Let's stay indoors. Let's stay indoors. Please switch on the AC. Please switch on the AC. I am not able to tolerate this heat. I am not able to tolerate this heat. It's time for a cold shower. It's time for a cold shower. Let's go to the mall to cool down. Let's go to the mall to cool down. Let's plan a summer vacation. Let's plan a summer vacation. Let's drink something cool. Let's drink something cool. I need a fan right now. I need a fan right now. Let's have a cold drink. Let's have a cold drink. Let's go to the hill station. Let's go to the hill station. I am feeling dizzy because of the heat. I am feeling dizzy because of the heat. Don't forget to apply sunscreen. Don't forget to apply sunscreen. Wear a hat and sunglasses. Wear a hat and sunglasses. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. It's tanning my skin. It's tanning my skin. Avoid going out at noon. Avoid going out at noon. I can't stand this heat. I can't stand this heat. Let's stay under the shade. Let's stay under the shade. It's horribly hot outside. It's horribly hot outside. Close the curtains to block the heat. Close the curtains to block the heat. Let's have some watermelon. Let's have some watermelon. I love eating mangoes in summer. I love eating mangoes in summer. I feel like drinking buttermilk. I feel like drinking buttermilk. Let's make some lemonade. Let's make some lemonade. Summer fruits are the best. Summer fruits are the best. I need a cold coffee. I need a cold coffee. Let's make some ice pops. Let's make some ice pops. Coconut water is very refreshing. Coconut water is very refreshing. Let's eat light food. Let's eat light food. Ice creams are a lifesaver in summer. Ice creams are a lifesaver in summer. Wear cotton clothes only. Wear cotton clothes only. Light colors are better in summer. Light colors are better in summer. Don't wear black clothes. Don't wear black clothes. Carry an umbrella. Carry an umbrella. Protect your skin from the sun. Protect your skin from the sun. Let's go on a road trip. Let's go on a road trip. Summer holidays are here. Summer holidays are here. We have to enjoy our summer break. We have to enjoy our summer break. Let's visit our grandparents this summer. Let's visit our grandparents this summer. I wish summer would end soon. I wish summer would end soon. The air feels so dry. The air feels so dry. I miss the rain. I miss the rain. Today is hotter than yesterday. Today is hotter than yesterday. It's a scorching day. It's a scorching day. I can feel the heat waves. I can feel the heat waves. There's no breeze at all. There's no breeze at all. The nights are hot too. The nights are hot too. It's better to stay home. It's better to stay home. The sunset looks beautiful in summer. The sunset looks beautiful in summer. I can't believe how hot it is. I can't believe how hot it is. I need some shade. I need some shade. I feel exhausted because of the heat. I feel exhausted because of the heat. I just want to sleep under the fan. I just want to sleep under the fan. My clothes are sticking to me. My clothes are sticking to me. My skin feels dry. My skin feels dry. My hands are sweating. My hands are sweating. My skin feels sticky. My skin feels sticky. I have a headache because of the heat. I have a headache because of the heat. I am getting sunburn. I am getting sunburn. The floor is too hot to walk barefoot. The floor is too hot to walk barefoot. It's suffocating outside. It's suffocating outside. Let's have a pool party. Let's have a pool party. Let's have a barbecue. Let's have a barbecue. I want to go on a picnic. I want to go on a picnic. Let's go to the waterland. Let's go to the waterland. Let's play water games. Let's play water games. I feel like going to a water park. I feel like going to a water park. Let's camp by the lake. Let's camp by the lake. Let's take a road trip to the mountains. Let's take a road trip to the mountains. I love summer nights outside. I love summer nights outside. Let's watch a sunset at the beach. Let's watch a sunset at the beach. Summer evenings are magical. Summer evenings are magical. Let's make mango juice. Let's make mango juice. I love eating ice gola. I love eating ice gola. Watermelon juice is so refreshing. Watermelon juice is so refreshing. Let's drink sugarcane juice. Let's drink sugarcane juice. I crave cold milkshakes. I crave cold milkshakes. Fresh fruits are the best in summer. Fresh fruits are the best in summer. I love eating cold salads. I love eating cold salads. Lassi is perfect for summer. Lassi is perfect for summer. Ice candies are my favorite. Ice candies are my favorite. Let's make a cool fruit salad. Let's make a cool fruit salad. Light and loose clothes are comfortable in summers. Light and loose clothes are comfortable in summers. Sandals are better than shoes now. Sandals are better than shoes now. Avoid tight clothes in summer. Avoid tight clothes in summer.